Everyone, I know that you've heard me talk about healing the relationship with yourself, but what does that mean? Having a relationship with yourself sounds like kind of kooky, but it actually isn't. Because when we are taking care of ourselves, when we are nourishing and nurturing ourselves, when we are feeding ourselves those beautiful thoughts, those beautiful emotions, and continuing to treat ourselves with this love and respect, then we have a really beautiful relationship with ourselves. And that takes healing, because if you've been telling yourself nasty stuff for a very long time or not treating yourself with that love and respect, then you need to heal that. You need to basically get rid of or reprogram whatever that dialogue is that's going on within you. You need to reprogram that to understand that you are a beautiful being of light, that you are love at the very core. And when you start to do that, it's going to take some time. But when you start to do that, then you begin to change those patterns, change those belief systems. So I have a workshop, an online workshop called Healing the Relationship with Yourself. And it's just a little short 1 hour workshop where there's some practices, we go deep, we take a look at what it is, those belief systems that you have going on, and begin to change those up. So if you are interested, take a look at my link in bio, and you can go on over there and have a look. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time.